Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Dr. David. I'm looking after you today.
Nice to meet you.
May I know your name and date of birth, please?
Yes, it's Alex Arcasian, the 11th of April 1956.
How can I help you?
I'm just not sure what's wrong with me, and I'd like to figure out what's going on.
Could you explain a bit more about it, please?
I'm really struggling. It's like there's a weight on my chest. It's pretty bad, so my wife brought me in to see you.
Where is the pain?
It's all over my chest, both sides, equally.
Does this pain go anywhere else?
Yes, the pain shoots to my back, jaw, and arm.
Does anything make the pain worse?
Nothing makes it better or worse.
What do you think the problem is?
I'm not sure what may be going on. I'm hoping it isn't a heart attack, but it's starting to sound like it, right?